Hello, guys, welcome to my channel Unlearn and Learn. You will find programming concepts, data structures, algorithms, and fun stuff. Programming, coding, everything will be coming soon. Stay tuned and do watch.
See the next slide here. So using type to create a custom variables, we can use type keyword to create our custom variables. So let's see that now. Okay, so now I will create one type of my own. I want to call it entity of type string. Now we have declared one type name named as entity and its type is string. So what I can do is I'll just change the type of st to entity, and now we will use here the value assigned to it, and I will print it. So you can see that the st is of type string. So here I have declared string. So yes, so we want to say that entity is a type and its type native to Go is string. So we can use entity as a string type. So that is about declaring custom variables. Now we will go to next part of this, arrays and slices. So arrays are value type and not reference type. So basically what that means is if we are passing any arrays and we want to change the array that is being passed from one function to other in the function which is being passed, so there we won't be able to see the changes, whereas slice is a reference type, meaning that changes reflect. We will see this. Now we will declare an array. So here we are declaring array that is of size 3. We'll say type of it is int and 1 2 3. So here we will do print that. I'll use for a equals to range err. So a comma I comma a into this the index. So we'll say fd dot print ln, and we'll say index index and index equals to I comma value equals to a, and we'll run this. So we'll go to array slices, run that. So you can see that we have declared a variable array and assigned array of size 3 and assigned values 1 to 3, so index of which is starting at 0. So arrays are indexed from 0 to n minus 1. So there are 3 elements, so n minus 1 is 2. So that's what the indexes are for this, and values are 1 to 3. We will pass this array to other function manipulate array. We'll say arr we'll declare this function here, function manipulate array. So this accepts a array of type int and returns for now nothing. So we'll just say arr of 0 equals to 3. So, and we will do print this array here. So now we will see what is the output. We are trying to manipulate the array. Here I have passed the array to that function manipulate array, but we can say that index and see that index 0 is 1 before calling that function. 0 the index has value 1 and 0 the index has value 1, so there are no manipulation in this case. This means that we cannot manipulate array, whereas if we declare a slice, it is very well be manipulated. So we'll say int and 1 2 3, it accepts a slice. So we'll just say slc here, and we'll pass manipulate slice a slice. So we are passing a slice to this manipulate slice, and we are printing the same. So we'll just run this. So similarly we'll see that what happens in the case of slice. So we can see that index 0 has value 1 before calling this function manipulate slice, and once we have called that function, it changed the value of the index 0 to 3. This is what it means, that arrays are value type, whereas slices are reference type. Changes reflex. We can also create slices using make keyword that we will see now as a slice, and we'll just say type of that, and it's int, slice of type int, and size is 3 and capacity is 5. That's how we do it. So we will assign slice with arr. This we have declared it already, so we need not assign it. So here we'll be able to see the values from slice as well as values from arrays. See, the values are same. So now if I change values of slice 0 equals to 9, so we will be able to see now the value is changed in both the cases, in slice as well as in array, because array is underlying structure for a slice. Underlying structure, that means arrays is underlying to a slice. Slice is derived from array. So now if I go ahead and append any values to this, so now we can see that I can append values 3, 4. So I am appending two values as its capacity is 5. So we'll be able to see what are the values of that. So we can see that slice is increased. Initially we have assigned only 3 values, now we have assigned 5 values to slice. And then we can see that slices are incremental in nature. So now if I do one more value, appending one more value to it, it can have that value. Yeah. But now if I do change the slice of 0 to 9, so we can see the value of ARR of 0, index 0 of ARR. Index 0 of ARR is 9. If I can do, here I have appended that and I have changed it to 5. So yeah, the value does not change. Previously what happened is, previously I tried to change the value of slices index 0 to 9, but I did not append. So once we append that value from the size, the maximum capacity is 5, we are increasing the capacity and we try to assign the 5 to it. Yeah, we can see that it has changed in slice but not in array. So basically the underlying array is no longer underlying array for now. So that's the thing. Let me know if you have any questions, put them in the comment section and let's start coding.
Here in this image we can see that array is changed when we increase the capacity of slice from 5 to more than 5. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. See you soon.